Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2012 Hyundai Santa Fe SE all-wheel drive. Stock number B8840A. Only 69,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Twilight Black in color. Santa Fe is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable mat for easy cleaning. This SE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, moonroof, hinges, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning. Heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect mobile media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Santa Fe has a 3.5 liter V6, 276 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles per gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Santa Fe, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.